Please stand and join us for the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hey T-BIRD TV, welcome to another week. This week I have been reading 7 Habits of Highly Effective Teens. They also have 7 Habits of Highly Effective for Kids and for Adults. So I kind of want to read you a paragraph that I read, said turning setbacks into triumphs. Life often deals us a bad hand sometimes, but it's up to you to think to yourself, I've got this, I can get through it. By the way, think of how life would be if nothing challenging ever happened to you. You'd never learn and you'd never be challenged and you never change. Every setback is an opportunity for us to turn it into triumph. It's not what happens to you in life, it's what you do about it. So we're going into the 6th week of school. I can't believe it. Middle school kids, you're ending your end of 6-week grading period, and there's going to be challenges and there's going to be setbacks. There's going to be times when things are difficult, but you know what? Difficult is good. It challenges us and it helps us grow. It's how we deal with that challenge that really talks about who we are as people. So when you find yourself in a difficult situation, whether it's an assignment, there's lots of things. You could ask your teacher, you can ask a buddy, you can go online to tutor.com, you can go on Khan Academy, you could ask your parents. If it's a situation that's happening amongst your friends, you could talk it out, use some of those skills that you've learned. You could tell an adult who could help you problem solve, and that's all about growing up as well. So really think about some of the things that are kind of going on, and let's turn some of those setbacks into triumphs and make sure that those triumphs continue to shape who we are. And that's to be kind to each other, that's to be selfless to one another, that's to care for each other. So I challenge you with that this week. Bye everyone.
Thank you. Now recite the promise with us.
The promise. When the bell rings, we start. When we are challenged, we think. When the work gets difficult, we exert more effort. One team, one goal. Thunderbirds soar with pride, excellence, and commitment.
Now recite the expectations with us.
The expectations. Be responsible. Initiate good safety. Respect yourself and others. Demonstrate preparedness. Strive for success.